In this video, we will be looking at Biology 2022 questions and answers. Question 1. Which parts provide food for the developing chick? The diagram shows the picture of a developing chick with the part labeled 1 as the airtight space, which gives the first breath for the chick. The part labeled 2 shows a trigeminal disc. The part labeled 3 shows the yolk. The part labeled 4 shows the amnion. The part labeled 5 shows the chalaza. The part labeled 6 shows the shell, which gives protection, the outermost part of the egg. The question says which parts provide food for the developing chick. The correct option is option C. It's option C because, like I said, option C is 3 and 4. And I said 3 is the part labeled the yolk. Now the yolk provides majorly protein for the egg. The part labeled 4, I said, which is the amnion. The amnion also provides nutrition, mainly protein and water for the developing chick. Question 2. A group of organisms of the same kind inhabiting the same environment is called A. Ecosystem, B. Habitat, C. Population, D. Species. A. Ecosystem. Ecosystem shows the interaction between living organisms and their environment, in bracket non-living things. B. Habitat. Habitat is simply the dwelling place of an organism. C. Population. Population is seen as a group of organisms of the same species living in a particular habitat at the same time. Option D. Species, which is the correct option, seen as a group of organisms of the same kind inhabiting the same environment. Question 3. The anaerobic fermentation of a glucose molecule yields A. Pyruvic acid and alcohol, B. 38 ATP molecules, C. Water and carbon 4 oxide, D. 2 ATP molecules and alcohol. The anaerobic fermentation of glucose molecule has to do with the breakdown of glucose cells without the use of oxygen. The reaction will give 2 ATP molecules and alcohol. So the correct option is D. Question 4. In a Biuret test, some protein was mixed with sodium hydroxide solution. Which of the following chemicals should be added to the mixture for a positive result? Option A. Mercurous nitrate. Option B. Copper sulfate. Option C. Mercuric nitrate. Option D. Sodium carbonate. The correct option is B. Copper sulfate. Because when 1 ml of sodium hydroxide solution is mixed with 1% of copper sulfate and then is shaked gently, it gives a purple coloration showing the presence of protein. So the correct option is B. Copper sulfate. Question 5. From the diagram, the function of the parts labeled III is to A. Produce oil for the skin, B. Carry blood and nitrogenous waste, C. Contract to pull the hair erect, D. Conduct nerve impulses. This diagram shows the diagram of a skin. Option I shows the sebaceous gland. Option II shows the arteries. Option III shows the hair follicle. And option IV shows the sweat gland. So from the question, the question says from the diagram, the question says the function of the parts labeled III, which I said option III is the hair follicle. So the correct option is C. It contracts to pull the hair erect. That's the function of the hair follicle. Question 6. The population of different organisms that exist together in a habitat is called A. Biomes, B. Biosphere, C. Community, D. Ecology. The correct option is C. Community. Question 7. An association between bacteria and root nodules of legumes is called A. Commensalism, B. Mutualism, C. Parasitism, D. Saprophytism. The correct option is B. Mutualism. The bacteria helps to provide nutrients in the soil, while the root nodules helps in covering the outer part of the plant. So it's a kind of mutualism association. So the association between a bacteria and the root nodules of legumes is a mutualism kind of association because the both parts both benefit from each other. So the correct option is B. Mutualism. Number 8. The most advanced in the following group of plants is A. Bryophytes, B. Pteridophytes, C. Spermatophytes, D. Ptalophytes. In a sequential order, the first group is the Bryophytes, followed by the Ptalophytes, followed by the Pteridophytes, and lastly the Spermatophytes. So the question says the most advanced in the following group of plants is, the correct option is C. Spermatophytes. Question 9. From the diagram, the type of joint between adjacent bones in the part labeled II is the. This is a diagram showing the different types of vertebra and the joint location in the body. Option A. Hinge joint. Option B. A suture joint. Option C. A sliding joint. Option D. A ball and socket joint. So the question says the type of joint between adjacent bones in the part labeled II. The part labeled I is the cervical. This is for the cervical vertebra. This other part here is not labeled but is for the thoracic vertebra. This joint here labeled II is the lumbar vertebra. Going down here, you have the sacral vertebra, and the last one here that looks like a tail is the coccyx vertebra. So the correct option for this type of vertebra, the type of joint here, is option C, a sliding joint. Question 10. The largest part of the human brain is the A. Forebrain, B. Midbrain, C. Hindbrain, D. Cerebrum. The correct option is D. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is seen as the largest part of the human brain because it accounts for most activities that takes place in the brain. So the correct option is D. Cerebrum. Question 11. The earliest form of life in animal kingdom is the A. Class, B. Amphibian, C. Ape species, D. Reptilia. From the option, supposed to be this option C has two classes here, apes and Pisces, but the correct answer is Pisces because the Pisces classes are saying that most organisms develop the future of Pisces. So the correct option is C, Pisces. Question 12. Which of the following is a saprophyte? A. Hydra, B. Fern, C. Mushroom, D. Paramecium. Saprophytes are organisms that feed on dead decaying organic matter. They also help to play a role in decomposition. So the correct option is C, mushroom. Question 13. The function of the caudal fin in tilapia is to A. Propel it forward in water, B. Steer it while changing direction, C. Balance it in water, D. Enable it to float in water. The correct option is A. Propel it forward in water. The caudal fin helps in propelling movements back and front for the fish. So the correct option is A. Question 14. Which of the following is used to trap flying insects? A. Mosquito net, B. Puta, C. Quadrat, D. Broom. The correct option is A. Mosquito net. An insect net is used to trap flying insects, but what we have here is mosquito net, so choose option A. A puta is used to collect little organisms without harming them gradually. A quadrat is used to estimate the number of organisms in a particular area. The broom is used for clearing and sweeping of insects. So the correct option is A. Question 15. From the diagram, the part labeled II is... Okay, this is a diagram showing the parts of the flower. And they said the part labeled II is the anther. A. Anther. B. Star. C. Filament. D. Stigma. So the correct option is A. Anther. Question 16. The type of reproduction that is common to both hydra and yeast is A. Grafting. B. Budding. C. Conjugation. D. Binary fusion.
Okay, guys, so please take note that we have a JAMB WhatsApp group for 2026 JAMB Bites. All right. So if you're writing JAMB for 2026, we have a JAMB WhatsApp group where we do daily revisions on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. So if you're a science student and you want to join our JAMB WhatsApp group, I'll leave a link to the JAMB WhatsApp group in the video description. All right. You can also join our JAMB channel membership to get access to exclusive content for JAMB Bites, or you can get the full JAMB course on our website. Simply visit www.journalimmanu.com/courses and you see the JAMB/WAEC classes. All right. Okay, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. All right. Like this video. Also leave a comment. Right, for the comments, I gave you a task, question number 11. Solve it, leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Don't forget to also subscribe. If it's your first time here or you're yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and select all so that you get notified